Happy 4th of July and welcome to Joseph's Tropical Tanks. If you are new to the channel, hit that subscribe button, notification bell, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Without further ado, let's get inside of the video. Today we have a great video for you guys. We are doing a 4th of July barbecue and we have so much good food for you guys to see. I'm going to show you guys how we usually do it every 4th of July. Show you guys some of the food that we eat, and I really hope you guys enjoy what you guys are about to see. We got some great dessert, a firecracker show, and also some really good food. I did prepare my famous ribs that people love when I fix, so make sure you guys stay tuned and watch the full video. You guys are really going to enjoy what you guys are going to see. Here, after they prepared all of the rest of the meat, I have the pit to myself where I have my onion and also my ribs on the pit. After doing the dry rub, I would leave them on the pit for about 35 to 40 minutes, and then I would start adding my barbecue sauce little by little. But my secret ingredient is I actually add some of my dry rub inside of my barbecue sauce. After they charred a little bit, I do like to get them in an aluminum roaster and add some butter and have them on the pit in the aluminum roaster for about 40 minutes. As you can see, right at the 400 mark, they are starting to sizzle, as you guys hear. At this point, I would remove them out of the aluminum foil pan and get them back on the pit for another 35 minutes. And yes, I know what you guys are thinking. This is an aquarium channel. Why am I showing you how do I fix food? Because a lot of you are great friends of mine, and I want to show you guys a little bit on what I do when I'm not with my fish. And I do love cooking. I enjoy cooking a lot. So after they're marinated inside the butter and the barbecue sauce, I will get them back on the grill and start grilling them again for about another 35 to 40 minutes. Here I have them back on the grill. I did add some more rub and also some more barbecue sauce. I did add some other ingredients inside of the barbecue sauce. If you guys are interested, comment below and I'll tell you guys everything you guys need to do to have ribs like this. Right now they are at the perfect consistency where I would want them a little bit burned on the tips and also extra barbecue sauce around them. It does make the meat kind of just fall apart. Here's the finished product. As you guys can see, we have it burned in some spots, and in some spots it's just perfectly well done the way I like to eat them. But as you could see, they are perfectly cooked and they were very delicious. Another thing I do like to do is I like to take a yellow onion, cut it in half, add some garlic, and wrap it in aluminum foil and leave it from the beginning of the fire to the end of the fire, and it caramelizes beautiful. This is the best onion you'll ever eat. I promise you, try it. As you can see, it is caramelized and the taste and the flavor is just amazing. It doesn't even taste like an onion anymore. And here we have our corn, our baked potato, some of our chili sauce, which is a bit spicy, and we have some hot dogs, of course. And here is the main part of the video, guys. This is our dessert. We waited all week for this, guys. If you love watermelon, please, I highly recommend doing what you are about to see. I mean, the taste is just amazing. What you are going to need for this recipe is some chamoy and also some tahim. Guys, this is amazing. Make sure that your watermelon is ripe and very sweet like this one is, and you just have to try this. It is amazing. It's very sour, but it has a beautiful kick at the end, and it is delicious. This is something that you just have to try. As you see, she is dipping it inside of the chamoy, and right after she's coating it in tahim. Guys, it is amazing. I just actually had it again, and my mouth is still watering. But I highly recommend this again, guys. You just have to try it. I really do hope that all of you had a blessed and great and safe 4th of July weekend. I want to thank you very much for coming and watching again. I will have the recipe for the watermelon, chamoy, and tahim inside of the description. So if you are interested, please make sure you guys look at the description to get the exact recipe you guys would need. But it's pretty self-explanatory here in the video. Also, comment below and let me know if you had the chance to try this. Like I said, I highly recommend doing it. It is very, very delicious. Stay tuned. In the next few seconds, I will be showing you guys some amazing firecrackers. We did have a blast. The kids also did have a blast. I know that you guys also blew out some fireworks and seen some shows. So comment below and let me know, what was the highlight of your 4th of July? And now let's get inside of the fireworks show.
Move, move, move. Wait. Wait, I will. Give me a second.
Well, no. No.
Orange!
Your mom right now is at a hotel.
Yeah.
Move, move, move. Now record. Move.
Find him, Gina, quick! Thomas!
Okay, here's the grand finale, guys. And that brings our video to the end, guys. Happy 4th of July, and see you next week on Joseph's Tropical Tanks.